Hey guys, Dan from GetCyber. Today I'm going to show you something super cool that I made for all of you guys. It is a website. So if you are a cybersecurity professional or a freelancer or a consultant, you might want to take advantage of this free website that I created for you, for the community. I love open source and I love all of you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this site. I think it looks pretty cool. And let me walk you through it. So this is it. It has some pretty cool animations on the background. It is both light theme and dark theme by default. So if you have a light theme desktop, it's going to go into the light theme. If you have a dark desktop, then it's going to go to the dark, and also has as you can see, a fixed menu in here with the different services in contact and about and all of that stuff. It has a two top button in here, and also pretty cool font with a typewriter type of animation in here as well. Also the numbers, so the counter here, it will animate for you, as you can see. And I have some hover effects down below here, as well as some transitions and opacity on the pictures, a testimonial, and I have a form that people can fill in. Now you have to, of course, make sure that this form is working. It is also 100% responsive. So if I go into my mobile view, then you can see that it is 100% responsive in there. It's called Hacker Theme, right? And it's 100% free. So let me show you what it contains. So what it's made out of. So this is a React application, and it's running React 18 or higher. It's also running TypeScript, the Vite or Vite dev server, as well as Tailwind, and it is Flow by React, right? So it has also ESLint and prettier plugins for better looks. And this is how you install it. You can install it on your Windows machine, on your Mac or Linux, and I'll show you how to. Let me show you the code. So this is the code in here, and this is my Vite configuration. Now, when I build it, it's going to build it for you, so it's completely static, and I'll show you how that's done. So I'm here in my desktop. I'm going to show you how to install this very quickly. So you have to just make sure that you have Node. So I'm going to type in Node V, right? So I have Node 23 and NPM V as well. And I have NPM 10.9, right? So I do have that. Then after, what you do is fairly easy. You just go to the repository in here, just copy this with HTTPS. It's a free repository, so you can git clone it. So git clone, then you clone it into a folder, cd hacker, like that. Now the next step is npm install to install all the modules, the node modules. There it is, fairly fast also. Then I'm going to do just npm run dev, and that's going to be running the site. So if I click on this link, it is running locally. Now, if I want to build it, then it's super easy to do as well. I'm going to do npm run build. So I make sure that it builds on separate folders. So if I do LAAL, then you'll see that there's a dist folder now in there that got deployed. So if I go to dist and I do an ls here, you'll see that I have an HTML here, index HTML and assets. So index, let's cut this. This is your normal index HTML. Now to run it in here, then we can use something like Python. So Python, maybe 3-m HTTP server, like that. And there's a dot in here. There you go. And that's going to be running on my local host 8000, right? Or I can just serve it with the npm serve, right? So I can do npm serve, or I can install npm serve. If you don't know how to install it, it's just npm install. And then I'm going to make a global serve. I should already have this installed. It's probably, yeah, there you go. And I just serve it. So serve, and it's going to give me the local host and also my IP address in there, and then you can visualize it, right? So that's it. It's super awesome. Take advantage of it. It's free. If you like this content, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you give me a like, and make sure you put a comment if you have any questions, or just subscribe to my Discord channel, right? So check out the link below. I hope you love it. Cheers.